Hey, do you use Camtasia 9 to edit your videos and you're struggling a little bit? Well, stick around to get some tips on editing Camtasia 9 videos. Hi, I'm Cynthia. I help people create and sell online courses. In today's video, I'm walking you through some tips on editing, including splits, cuts, stitching, and much more. So let's dive in.
First thing I'll have you do is place your playhead where you want to create your split. And then you select the track and you can see you've got the split icon, but you can just hit the S key to split. So you can also right click and choose split all. So that will split all of your media on any of the tracks that have media. If you want to recombine two sections, you select them first, and when you right click, you can choose Stitch Selected Media. Next, I'm going to show you how to select a portion of your tracks and hit Ctrl X, and this will delete all of the contents. So what happens is the two sections get brought together and a stitch gets added. In this next part, I'm going to show you ripple delete. So we're going to split one track. So I'm splitting the top track, and then I'm going to remove that little portion and bring everything over to the left. So right click, ripple delete, and the top track contents get slid over to the left. In this next part, I'm showing you how when you select a portion of your media, you can hit delete key and it just removes all the contents and creates a gap for you. Another way to create a gap without losing any of your content is hold down the shift key and then grab your playhead and move it over to the right. So if you were to split your media and select the two clips of media, hit the delete key, and then change your mind about the one track. So for me in track 2, I want to restore a portion. So you can grab the end, slide it over, and you get all of your media back the way it was before, intact.
So I hope you learned something in today's video. Be sure to subscribe for a new video every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Thanks for watching.